Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Volvo XC90 and we're going to be repairing a mirror cap edge where the marker light is. You can see there's a little mishap right here. Happened the other day, so we're going to make a very quick repair out of this. So stay tuned, we'll take a look at the parts and the tools that we need to get this done. And now for the tools that we're going to use. We're going to be using just a couple of these plastic non-marring pry tools. We don't want to damage that plastic finish on the mirror or the mirror cap or anywhere around there. These are fairly cheap. I'll put a link down below where you can find several of those. All right, now for a quick look at the parts. It's a very simple. We just need one part, probably less than $15, maybe 20, give or take. Comes, at least this one here, comes nicely wrapped. Protects the crystal cover here. That was cracked. That's what broke on this one. I think a rock got it or something down the road. And so you can see where the bulb's just going to go right in there. And this is just going to pop right into place. Super simple replacement here. Now let's go back to the car and put this on. Now to be able to actually replace our crystal cover here that has our turn signal indicator in it, we're going to need to remove this mirror housing here. And this is just going to pop right off. I've got a couple of these non-marring pry tools. Don't use a screwdriver to do this here. You may damage the finish of it. And we should just be able to slide these right in and get some separation here. It may take a couple of these and working around the mirror here to be able to get this to pop right off. It's also worthwhile to double check that your bulb is still good before you actually replace this. If you're going to have this open, no reason to do all this work and not replace the bulb if necessary. And there, now we got our cap off there. You can see this is definitely a little dusty here. I already went through and kind of picked out as much of the plastic that broke as I could, just to be able to make sure I had this cleaned up here before doing this here after it went pop. So I wasn't going to be leaving any trash on the roadside here with this car. Little dust thing here, do a little bit of other cleaning here, maybe a little Windex to clean that up here. And again, double check that your bulb works before you go too much further. You can see I'm running a quick little check that my bulb is indeed confirmed good. Now this makes it really easy to move forward. All right, now before we go to put the part on, double check that your bulb is also properly seated. It should not be at an angle, it should be square. If you don't do that, you run the risk of the bulb getting kind of trapped in the housing here, and you really don't want to play that game of fetch with that. Now, if we look at this housing here, you see there's a little bit of a rubber gasket around it and a rubber ring to seat this in. So this is just going to seat right inside the part here. So that bulb should be inside that housing. And we're going to work this housing here into the rest of the mirror housing here. Now, when it comes to replacing the mirror cap, there's a couple of little tabs here at the bottom that are going to have to get inserted in the front edge here first, and then it kind of tilt it in place. It's a little bit of a game of trial and error to try to get everything lined up to get a good tight seal, but it's not going to work if you don't get those tabs put in place there at the bottom. And work your way around the mirror to make sure everything lines up so you end up with a good seal around the mirror and the black ring. But you've got to get those two tabs at the bottom down there for it to make stuff work. And then eventually it should just kind of pop into place just like that. And you've got a nice, clean, uniform look without any gaps or things that look out of place around all edges of the mirror. And that replacement is just that simple. I'll put a link below where you can find these parts. It is a different part number for the left and the right side because they're kind of mirror opposites. Pun not really intended there. And I'll put a link down for the bulbs there. So questions or comments, put it down below. Thanks for watching today. And as always, have a great day. Bye.